This is the ants, God's creations. He is also from the dust. The God's creation through these ants. But this ants is not the same image of God. Only human being the same his image. So this is also parts of the creation of God that freezing him. Even they don't you don't hear their voice, but you can freeze their performance, their industrious. So this is the example of in the Proverbs, those who are lazy people, you have to watch the ants so you can get it the knowledge. That's it. So if you read the true words of God, you never be a poor, because comparing the ants very industrious. So if you follow the commandments, the order of God, you're gonna be rich. The same those guys, see, he looking all the time the food to preserve during the winter time. See, that's it.